Welcome back, everyone. So in this lesson, what we're going to do is to create some variations of foods our player can actually eat, our snake can eat. So we'll just go over here to the sprite editor. Now let's quickly create some food. So first, I'll start by creating some nice little cherries like that. Love cherries. And I'll just add another one here like that. And I'll add some little, let's say, a branch like that and make this one brown. Now let's add some highlights to the cherries. All right, so that's our cherries. Let's create like an apple thingy here. So I'll just go over here, create some nice little fruit variation like that. And let's add some little highlights here. Nice. So next, let's create a banana. So I'll just go ahead and do something like this. And we'll add some sections here and add a little highlight around it. That's not really a banana, but hope you get the picture. Yeah, I think I like that little edge there. Okay, cool. That's our banana. So what fruits do we add? We have cherries, apple, banana. Let's add an orange. So I'll just try to go for something. I'll fill this up real quick. Then I'll just chop out some of the edges like that. All right, that's not really an orange, but we just get the feel of it. Now we'll add a few highlights like that. So that's another fruit section. And we'll do one more. I think we can try a watermelon because we have the colors to do a watermelon here. So I'll just do this. Or let's make it sort of diagonal. And we'll have the section here. Just adding some of that white here. And I'll make this edge sort of green. And we'll just fill this edge here with black. And I'll add some of the seeds randomly like that. Now here, I don't like what it did there, so I'll just get rid of this one. All right, so we have our nice little watermelon. We can add slight little highlights here. And there we have it. So we have a couple of fruits. In our next lesson, we'll make sure our player is able to eat that. And just for fun, I want to add a little peach like that. All right, so we have 5 fruits. We'll learn how we can change these fruits and swap them when our game is running instead of having a sprite that's just flying around our screen. See you guys in the next lesson.